Hi, welcome to the video. In this video, I will show you the complete walkthrough of our extension Vtiger Docs to the cloud. It helps you to store your Vtiger document to cloud storage locations right inside the VtigerCRM. Let's see how the extension works. To access the extension, navigate to Settings, CRM Settings, and click on Other Settings. Select Configuration. Here you need to configure the settings by clicking on the configuration icon. Now click on Edit. First, select the cloud storage location from the drop-down. The cloud storage services include S3, FTP, FTPS, SFTP, Google Drive, Dropbox, and OneDrive. I have selected S3 and go for the S3 configuration. Then get the access key and secret key from your S3 account. For that, log into your Amazon S3 account. Now select User and click on I am. On the right side, click on My Security Credentials. You can click on the Create Access Key to get your access key and secret key here. Now copy the credentials and paste them into the appropriate field in the configuration page of the Document Manager. Moving back to the S3 account, here click on the global at the top bar and select your nearby region. You can create a new bucket or choose your desired bucket. Now on the configuration settings, provide the region name and the bucket name. Click on Save. That's all about the configuration. Now I am creating a new document by clicking on New Document. Provide the necessary details and attach the desired files. You can see the file storage location at the bottom. Here I select S3. Choose the download type and click on Save. The document has been saved in CRM. Now let's check it on the S3. Log into S3 and select the desired bucket. Here you can see the Vtiger Docs have been successfully uploaded on S3. You can easily track the success and failure of uploading documents by clicking on Audit Logs. Thus, with the Vtiger Docs to the cloud, it is easy to upload your VtigerCRM documents to your preferred cloud storage location and can easily be accessible at any time. I hope this video will be helpful. Thanks for watching.